everyone. Welcome to Product Spotlight. I'm Luigi Groton, Vice President of Worldwide Product Marketing. Today I'm going to introduce you to another great product from Herbalife, the Protein Drink Mix. At Herbalife, our key philosophy is all about healthy, balanced nutrition and helping you get what your body needs every day. Our philosophy is based around eating a nutrient-rich diet, daily protein, carbohydrates such as fiber, healthy fats, micronutrients, which include vitamins and minerals. Hydrating with 8 large glasses of water a day, controlling calorie intake, and maintaining an active, healthy life are vital to healthy living. Today, I want to focus on protein, why it's important in our diets, and how the new protein drink mix can help you meet your protein intake. Proteins are fundamental structural and functional elements within every cell of the body, and they're involved in a wide range of metabolic interactions. All cells and tissues contain protein, and it's a key nutrient in our diet, and it provides amino acids, which are building blocks, that we can't make ourselves. So they're needed for growth, development, and repair of the body. The body, however, does not store protein, and it can't be produced internally. So it's important that we consume protein every day. Proteins are an important building block of bones, muscles, skin, hair, and nails. Protein is the second most abundant compound in the body, following water. Foods high in protein include eggs, beef, lean meats, soybeans, and milk, which are great. But the amount, and more importantly, the quality of proteins can vary widely. In Protein Drink Mix, we are using soy, a high-quality protein which is classified as a complete protein because it provides your body with the full spectrum of amino acids. Amino acids are building blocks of protein, and your body needs to replenish these amino acids every day. Soy is also a great protein because unlike beef and pork, it's low in saturated fat. Your body needs to replenish these amino acids daily with a healthy, balanced diet. Every day, Herbalife recommends that active individuals have an intake of about 1 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. So a male weighing 70 kilograms will need between 70 to 140 grams of protein, whereas a female weighing 45 kilograms will need between 45 to 90 grams of protein. Protein Drink Mix is a great way to help you reach this daily intake. It can be used in 2 ways, either as a high-protein snack drink, or even better, add it to your favorite Formula 1 shake to give you a nice, thick, rich, and creamy shake. How do you make Protein Drink Mix as a snack? It's really simple. Add 250 milliliters of cold water to your blender, add 2 scoops of Protein Drink Mix, mix at a high speed for about 45 seconds, and if you want, you can add ice and mix for another 10 seconds and serve. Protein Drink Mix as a snack will deliver you the following nutritional benefits: approximately 15 grams of high-quality protein, 7 grams of carbohydrates, 20 vitamins and minerals, and it's 108 calories per serving. This is the perfect protein snack to take in between meals. A popular way of making a Formula 1 shake is to add Protein Drink Mix, as it provides you extra protein, gives you a rich, creamy shake, and can be made with water. Also, the light vanilla flavor is so versatile, it can be used with any one of the Formula 1 flavors. Making a Formula 1 shake with Protein Drink Mix is so easy. Here's how I make mine. Simply add in your blender 250 milliliters of cold water. Now, I'm gonna go with my favorite Formula 1 flavor, Formula 1 Vanilla. I'm gonna add 2 scoops of my Formula 1 Vanilla. Get my 2 level scoops, and then I'm gonna do 1 scoop of Protein Drink Mix to add in there. Now, I like to serve this one a little cold, so let's say I put about 4 to 6 ice cubes. You don't need much. And then blend it all together for about 45 seconds. And it's that easy. I've got my 2 scoops of Formula 1, my 1 scoop of PDM, about 4 to 6 ice cubes, and in just 45 seconds, what does that give me? A delicious shake with the following benefits: 16.5 grams of high-quality protein, 153 calories per serving. It can be made with water, gives you a rich, creamy, fully textured shake, compared to making F1 with just water. So shake it up with the Protein Drink Mix and add it to your Formula 1 shake, or drink it as a snack. These products will help you support your daily protein intake and help to achieve your goals for healthy, balanced nutrition. Thanks for watching.